Guys, let's see how to convert a slow-mo video on iPhone to a normal speed video in iPhone. So let's say you have got a video which is a slow motion video and you want to change it to a normal speed video. So what you have to do, you have to just go to photos and edit that slow motion video. So just open it and you will see that edit option. So whenever you will go to the gallery and open that slow-mo video, you will see that edit option at the top. Tap on edit. Now you can see these bars which are closer to one another, and these spaced bars, okay, with more space between them. So all you have to do is to bring these two bars together, okay, so that all the bars are equal distance bar. Okay, so just bring these two bars together so that there is no gap. Once this is done, tap on done, and that's it. Your slow-mo video is now a normal speed video. Thanks for watching. Please do like.